In just 60 seconds, let's journey through the most tragic plane crashes in U.S. history, and the lessons they left behind. 1956, two planes collide over the Grand Canyon, killing 128. It led to modern air traffic control. 1978, PSA Flight 182 collides midair in San Diego. 144 perish. 1979, American Airlines Flight 191 crashes in Chicago. 273 lives lost, the deadliest U.S. crash. 1982, Air Florida Flight 90 crashes into the icy Potomac River. 1987, Northwest Flight 255 crashes just after takeoff in Detroit. 154 dead, one child survives. 2001, American Airlines Flight 587 crashes in Queens, just after September 11, 2009, Colgan Air Flight 3407 crashes in Buffalo. 50 lives lost, pilot fatigue blamed. 2018, Southwest 1380 suffers engine failure, one passenger tragically dies. These moments changed aviation forever. Behind every crash is a lesson, a regulation, and a life remembered.